Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your VW Jetta engine cover. First, make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch, which is a crucial safety step. You won't need any special tools for this easy method, just your hands. Begin by identifying the 4 main mounting points on the engine cover, usually located near each corner. These are typically rubber grommets designed for a snug fit. Next, you'll want to check for any hoses or wires that might be clipped or attached to the engine cover itself. For many Jetta models, there might be 1 or 2 small lines, like a PCV hose, that need to be gently unclipped or disconnected. Take your time here to avoid any damage. Once these are free, you are ready for the next step. Now, with all connections clear, firmly grasp the engine cover, ideally with both hands, near the mounting points. Apply steady, upward pressure, pulling straight up. You should feel the cover disengage from the 4 rubber grommets. Once it's free, carefully lift it completely off the engine. Place the cover in a clean, safe spot where it won't be stepped on or scratched. When you're ready to reinstall, simply reverse the process. Carefully align the 4 pins on the underside of the engine cover with the corresponding mounting points on the engine. Apply firm, even pressure to each corner until you feel and hear it click securely into place. Don't forget to reattach any hoses or wires you disconnected earlier. Double-check everything to ensure a snug fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.